Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Max IELTS Tutorial. We have started this channel to extend tutorial sessions for the IELTS aspirants. As a channel is a budding channel, we request you to extend your support by subscribing our channel. We will be uploading videos to share a lot of exercises and detailed solution of the same, along with the techniques and tips to overcome the errors and difficulties a candidate would commit and face. This being our first video, I am going to give you a brief introduction about what is an IELTS exam, why is it necessary to clear it, the components of IELTS exam, and so on. To begin with, let us first see what is an IELTS examination. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. Today, it is one of the most accepted international English language proficiency exam for academic qualifications, professional licensing, and immigration. IELTS is accepted by most Australian, British, Canadian, Irish, and New Zealand academic institutions and by over 3,000 academic institutions in the United States, and also by various professional organizations across the world. IELTS is the only secure English language test approved by UK Visa and Immigration. It also meets requirements for immigration to Australia. It is also accepted by the Canadian Immigration Authority. The IELTS test is jointly managed by the British Council, IDP IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. Test takers can take IELTS in more than 140 countries and in over 1,200 locations. There are up to 48 test dates available per year. Each test center offers tests up to 4 times a month depending on the local demand. The academic version is available on all 48 dates per year, whereas the general version is available only on 24 dates. There used to be a minimum time limit of 90 days before which a person was not allowed to retake the test. However, this restriction has been withdrawn and currently there is no limit for applicants to retake the test. IELTS is available for people who need to demonstrate their English language proficiency for specific purposes. There are two formats of IELTS to choose from, depending on your needs. You should take the academic training module if you are planning to apply to an international university where English is the spoken language. The academic training module are also used as a measure of professional language proficiency for educators, nurses, doctors, and other professionals. The general training modules are most suitable if you want to work, live, or study at a secondary institution in an English speaking country. There is a new test called IELTS Life Skills for those applying for UK visa. This test measures a test taker's speaking and listening skills. IELTS consists of four sections that test the full range of English language skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. The listening test is conducted for 30 minutes and an additional 10 minutes will be given to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. The reading and writing tests are conducted for 60 minutes each, and the speaking test will be held for 11 to 14 minutes. Listening, reading, and writing are completed in one sitting. The speaking test may be taken on the same day or even on another day. The listening and speaking sections are the same for both the academic and general modules. The reading and writing sections are different in the academic and general training modules. You cannot pass or fail IELTS. The test is scored on a band scale. A band is a level of ability. In each section, you can score anywhere from band 1 to band 9. Band 1 is named as non user and band 9 is entitled as expert user. There is also a band 0 score which is given for candidates who don't take up the test. The band score that a candidate secures is valid for 2 years. Hope you have a clear vision about what is an IELTS examination. In our next video, we will be discussing about the pattern of IELTS general and academic test. Like and share our video if it was informative. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages.